Welcome to Cosmic Secrets, where we discover the secrets of the space as never before. Are you interested in deep space discoveries, black holes, or searches of alien life? Do not miss to like and subscribe. It is time to jump in. In 1977, NASA sent off two miniature spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, on a mission that would last longer than empires and expectations. A mere space mission of exploration of the planets was transformed into one of the highest space odysseys of all time in the human history. However, what did Voyager really find out at the adjacent of our solar star system? Foreign objects, impassable borders, and outrageous indications of what can be perceived on the other side. The facts will put shiver down your spine. Departure out of the known. The main aim of Voyager was to examine the outer planets, and it did that brilliantly so. But then, Voyager did not stop. Past Pluto, beyond Kuiper Belt, into the so-called interstellar space, and this is where it becomes strange. The bubble in which we live. To begin with, Voyager proved something mind-blowing. The invisible bubble is a huge one that covers our entire solar system. That is the heliosphere, a territory controlled by solar wind and magnetic field of the sun. However, on the outer edge, there is a turbulent zone known as the Helios heath, similar to the creamy rim of a wave. Violent shocks, high-energy particles, and weird turbulent magnetic fields were identified here by Voyager. It is such as the sun breathes, and this is where the breathing ceases. Heliopause. That is where it all changes. The great moment was next, passing the heliopause, the actual outer extent of our sun system. In 2012, Voyager 1 passed it. The next to come out was Voyager 2 in 2018. What they found? Total silence. The solar wind went away. There were disappearing charged particles. Then all of a sudden, Voyager was hit by galactic cosmic rays, electromagnetic radiation in the distant outer space. The spaceship had traveled into an entirely new world. Space Interstellar. Magnetic shock. This is even an unexpected thing. The magnetic field was expected by scientists to reverse direction beyond the heliosphere. But on Voyager, we heard the magnetic field did not change very much at all. Other scientists have come to think that there is a force at work that has not yet been discovered that has an influence in the interstellar magnetic environment. There is something out there, and it does not obey our rules. Here's something wild. Voyager was built with 1970s technology. Its computer memory? Just 68 kilobytes. That's less than the size of a single image on your phone. It communicates with Earth using a 20-watt signal. That's weaker than a refrigerator light. And yet, we still receive data across billions of miles. Voyager proves that even with humble tools, you can achieve legendary results. Limitations don't define destiny, vision does. Let's imagine Voyager keeps drifting for 1 billion years. What happens if it's found? By someone or something out there? They'd find the golden record, with our sounds, languages, DNA, and emotions etched in gold. It's not just science, it's art. It's our soul in a spacecraft. Carl Sagan called it a bottle launched into the cosmic ocean. Maybe one day someone will uncork it and hear the sound of a baby crying, a kiss, a heartbeat. Maybe that's how they'll know. We once lived. We once dreamed. Eventually, Voyager will go silent. NASA predicts it'll lose power completely by 2025 to 2030. No more data. No more beeps across space. Just silence. But don't mourn, because Voyager's mission doesn't end there. It becomes a relic, a cosmic message in a bottle, drifting forever. In that sense, Voyager will never die. It becomes our eternal echo across the stars. Voyager isn't just a machine, it's a mirror, a reminder of who we are, curious, bold, unafraid of the unknown. It shows us that even the smallest signal can travel the farthest distance, that even silence carries meaning, and that humanity, flawed, fragile, beautiful, was brave enough to reach for the stars. This was the story of Voyager, a story that still isn't over.